So today I'm going to show you a new tool that you have in your toolbox. We recently put new red backpacks on all the trucks, and these are equivalent to what the Harrison County schools have inside their schools. And in a different video I'll show you what's in the backpack. But this video is going to be about the Hyfin Vent Chest Seal. And so we're going to learn how to use that. So the Hyfin Chest Vent is packaged in this foil package. When you open it up, the chest seal looks like this. There's a red tab. Let's say that we have a penetrating chest wound on the right side of this patient. So we are going to pull this off. You'll notice that in the center of the chest seal is a clear area. There's 3 areas coming out from that, going to 3 different sides of the chest seal, and that is for airflow coming out and also for blood or other fluids to run out. So if we had a penetrating wound here in the chest, we would put this down, put the center of the chest seal over the wound, secure this, and at that point we are secure. So then the air should be able to escape through these vents, and blood would also be able to escape, but when the patient inhaled in, this would adhere to the wound and then would not let the air in.